Hi, this is Mike. We're back here at Sunset Chevrolet again. We were fixing the 22 Toyota Corolla you're probably very well aware of. Today's the day we're going to give it to that deserving veteran. His name is Jim, and I'm sure he's really going to appreciate that car. He can get around where he needs to do. I'm very happy to do it for him, and it turned out very nice. What's going on?
I don't know what's going on, but I think it's going to be pretty exciting.
I'm Rob, I'm with SRQ Vets, and to tell you a little story about this car. Barbara got this car donated to SRQ Vets. It had some major damage into it of over $9,000 worth of damage done to it, with the vision to have this go to a veteran that really needed to have a vehicle. So we brought it over here to Sunset. Sunset went to work. Marine Corps veteran actually did a lot of the work here knowing it was going to go to a veteran. James, this is yours. Barbara helped do all the fundraising and SRQ Vets to make this happen for you and your family.
What is going on?
SRQ Vets is in our 11th year. We started out helping veterans with maybe moving or cutting grass or just the little stuff that big organizations don't do. And now we've evolved. Last year we were able to give away 10 vehicles. We've evolved to the point of this month alone, we've given out 4 vehicles, including this awesome vehicle here that we partnership with the Sunset Automotive Group to get this vehicle put together. Mr. Pop here was in Vietnam, and we all know, the struggles that Vietnam era veterans go to. So it just really is great to have a veteran to be able to get around, to get to their appointments, and to pay back, to them what they, have given to us in the past.
Hi, my name is Alan Martinez. I'm the Collision Center Director here at Sunset Chevrolet. SRQ Vets reached out to us a few months back with a damaged donated vehicle and asked if we'd be interested in helping them with it. With me having military veterans in my family, I was good with that. My wife and my daughter both in the military. So I got a military veteran here, Michael Helmer. I asked him if he was interested in trying to donate some of his time to help with some of the costs, and he was more than willing. We took that project on and delivered that vehicle today back to that family that was deserving.
We just kind of, again, fill the cracks to try to let the veterans live their best life and to help them become successful in our local community.
Mechanically it's sound, and it'll be a good car for them.